During the Q1 Financial Year 25 press meet, MD and CEO Shri L.S. Jain highlighted Indian Bank's 41% net profit rise and digital growth. During the recent press meet, Shri L.S. Jain, MD and CEO of Indian Bank, highlighted the bank's remarkable performance for the quarter ended June 2024. He noted a significant 41% year-over-year increase in net profit, reaching Rs 2,403 crore from Rs 1,709 crore. Operating profit improved by 9% to Rs 4,502 crore, while net interest income saw an 8% rise to Rs 6,178 crore. Fee-based income also grew by 17% to Rs 788 crore, and the return on assets increased by 25 BPS to 1.2%. Shri Jain emphasized the strong growth in gross advances, which saw a 12% increase to Rs 5,39,123 crore. RAM, Retail, Agriculture and MSME advances rise by 13% to Rs 3,13,301 crore, contributing 62% to gross domestic advances. He also highlighted the improvement in asset quality, which the GNPA ratio decreasing by 170 BPS to 3.7% and the NNPA ratio reducing by 31 BPS to 0.39%. The provision coverage ratio improved by 156 BPS to 96.66%. On the digital front, Shri Jain proudly announced that business generated through digital channels reached Rs 36,678 crore. He highlighted a 33% growth in mobile banking users, a 30% increase in UPI users, and a 26% in net banking users. The bank launched the InSmart Omnichannel Banking application, which offers features like integrated bill payment and e-shopping, aiming to enhance the customer experience. Additionally, the bank received accolades including the Best Customer Experience Initiative Awards at ACI South Asia Coverage 2024.
Net profit of the bank has grown by 41% and reached to 2,403 crores in June 24 quarter, is against 1,709 crore in June 23. The increase in net profit is based on the growth in operating profit by 9%, and the operating profit has reached to 4,502 crores in June 24, is against 4,135 crore in June 23. So operating profit growth was based on the NII growth, which has grown by 8% and reached to 6,178 crore, is against 5,703 crores. Besides the NII growth, there is a growth in fee-based income by 17% and reached to 788 crores from 671 crores. As a result of increase in profitability, the ROA, return on asset, increased to 1.20%, is against 0.95% in June 23. So ROE also improved to 19.76% and close to 20%, is again 17.88% in June 23. The business of the bank has increased by around 11%. The deposit has grown by 10% and advances have grown by 12%. Under deposit, the CASA has grown by 6%. In advances, growth of 12%, the RAM credit, retail, agri and MSME has grown by 13%. And we are having 62.30% RAM advances. Under RAM, the retail credit has grown by 14%, the agriculture credit has grown by 18%, and MSME of course has grown by 6%, but the standard MSME has grown by 11%, and the corporate credit has grown by 9%, but the standard corporate grown by 10%. So under retail, Housing loan has grown by 13%. Auto loan has grown by 55%. Jewel loan has grown by 10%. The CASA, domestic CASA, bank could maintain 41% CASA in June 24, which was the same percentage in June 23. The CD ratio of the bank is 79%. The asset quality, there is improvement in asset quality. The GNPA, which was 5.47% in June 23 and a 3.95% in March 24 is now 3.77%. Likewise, there is a reduction in net NPA. The net NPA is now 0.39%. 0.39% is against 0.70% in June 23 and 0.43% in March 24. The provision coverage ratio improved to 96.66%, close to 97% is against 95% in June 23. So there is a from 95% to 97%. Is against 3.52%. So 1% increase in domestic NIM as well. The cost to income ratio, which was 48% in March 24, is now 44%. So the GNPAs, NNPAs, all numbers are coming down. The bank has 5,846 domestic branches. We are planning to open 100 branches in this year. We are on 5,093 ATMs. As you know, bank is continuously going around digitization. So I request my colleague Bajaj to make you aware about the digitization progress of the bank.
Thank you, sir.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க.